think of a better time to use a generator than trying to get some more light out here. You guys keep asking me to do some more nighttime lives. Well, check this one out. Now I'm gonna take this generator and pair it with a JC-LGL Work Light. This thing is crazy. Now, Temu didn't send this to me, but I think this is the perfect time to show it to you guys. This thing's got a little clip here, so it can just quickly clip onto anything, and you can string a bunch of them up. This one here is the 100-watt light, but check this thing out. What? Now that's a light. Not only is it bright, it's 360 degrees bright. So you get it over here as well as back here. I wanted to thank the guys over at JC-LGL for sending me that light. Looks like it's going to be a big help at night.